Today we are going to learn how to partition the list with fixed elements. Now let's get started. Here I want to split this list so that a chunk should have at least one element and max it can have two elements in it. Now let's get started. Here I want chunk size to be 2. That is 2 is the maximum length that list can hold. Now we are going to write the code. I want to have a list and I want to print the result, so I'm going to use print, and instead I'm going to use a for loop for I in range, and the range will start from 0 till len of list, and it would have a step count that size, like we want to have by size, first two element would be stored in a list, then next two element would be stored in next list. So we are going to pass the step value. By default it would be 1. Here we are going to pass it as the chunk size. Now this part is done. Now finally what we need to do is we need to do a slicing, like L should start from I colon I plus 2. Now let's try to run our code. We should see that the expected result should be in this format. Here you can see 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Thanks for watching.